Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about PHP arrays. Array is a collection of homogeneous elements. It is a variable used to store more than one value. Here we should know the difference between normal variables and array variables. Normal variables we can store only one value. If it is number a is equal to 10, we can store only 10. In array, in a single variable, array variable, you can store more than one value. That is called array. An array variable is a storage area holding a number of or text. The problem is a variable will hold only one value. An array is a special variable which can store multiple values in one single variable. In PHP, we are having three types of arrays. Numeric array, an array with a numeric index. Associative array, an array where each ID key is associated with a value, that is key value pair. Multidimensional array. Here we are having more than one dimension. These are all the three types of arrays available in PHP. Arrays are used to store more values in a single variable. Next, we are going to see about loops and PHP. Like other languages, in PHP also we are having loops. Loops are used for repeated operations. Here we are having while loop, do while loop, for each loop. First one is while loop. Loops through a block of code while a specific condition is true. Do while loop. Loops through a block of code once and then repeat the loop as long as a specified condition is true. For loop. For loops through a block of code a specified number of times. These are all the loops available in PHP. First one is while loop. We should know that loops are two types, entry control and exit control. Entry control is nothing but whenever you are going to enter into the loop, it will check the condition. That is called entry control loop. Next one is exit control loop. Exit control loop, it will check the condition when the loop goes to exit. That is called exit control loop. Here while loop is entry control loop. It will check the condition while entering into the loop. Here the example, in this example we are using I is equal to, in PHP I is equal to 1. We are initializing I is a variable. It is used, we are storing integer number 1. Here we are checking I is less than 5. If the condition is true, yes, it is true, then it will print the number as I. Now the value I is equal to 1. Then we are incrementing I plus plus. It will increment. I becomes 2. 2 is less than 5. As condition is true, it will print 2. The number is 2. And then again it will increment. The process goes on. Whenever the value becomes greater than the condition becomes false. That is, if the value becomes 6, 6 is not less than 5 or equal to 5. It will come out from the loop. This is the working of while loop. If you are giving here 10, I is equal to 10, the condition is false. 10 is not less than 5. It won't go to the loop. It won't print anything. The output of the loop is, this program is, the number is 1, number is 2, number is 3, number is 4, and the number is 5. Thank you.